Hi everyone, let's make coconut bonbons. These little bites are bursting with coconut flavor. They are surprisingly easy to make. You only need a few simple ingredients. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make about 12 bonbons. 1 cup of sweetened shredded coconut, half a cup of condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. In a large bowl, combine the shredded coconut, condensed milk, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. These ingredients will form the base of your delicious coconut bonbons. Mix everything together until it's well combined. You want the mixture to be sticky and cohesive, ensuring that all the coconut is evenly coated with the condensed milk and vanilla. Use your hands to roll the mixture into small balls. This part can be a bit messy, but it's also fun. The mixture should hold together well and form smooth, round shapes. Make sure they are all about the same size so they cook evenly. Consistency and size will also make them look more professional and appealing. Place the coconut balls onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This will prevent them from sticking and make it easier to handle them later. Put the baking sheet in the freezer for about 30 minutes to firm up. This step is crucial as it helps the bonbons hold their shape when you dip them in chocolate. While the bonbons are chilling, melt the chocolate chips. You can use dark, milk, or even white chocolate depending on your preference. You can do this in a double boiler or in the microwave. If using a microwave, heat the chocolate in short bursts, stirring in between to prevent burning. Once the chocolate is melted and smooth, remove the bonbons from the freezer. They should be firm to the touch and ready for dipping. Dip each bonbon into the melted chocolate, using a fork to coat it completely. Make sure each bonbon is fully covered in a smooth layer of chocolate. Let any excess chocolate drip back into the bowl. This will help avoid a thick, uneven coating and keep your bonbons looking neat. Place the dipped bonbons back on the parchment paper. Ensure they are spaced out so they don't stick together as the chocolate sets. Sprinkle them with a little extra shredded coconut. This adds a nice decorative touch and a bit of extra texture. Return them to the freezer for 15 minutes to set. Once the chocolate is firm, your coconut bonbons are ready to enjoy. They make a perfect treat for any occasion. Section 4. Tips for chocolate perfection. In this section, we'll share some essential tips to help you achieve chocolate perfection in your desserts. Use high-quality chocolate for the best flavor. The quality of your chocolate can make a significant difference in the taste and texture of your final product. Melt the chocolate slowly and gently to prevent it from burning. Using a double boiler is ideal as it provides even heat distribution. If you're using the microwave, heat it in short bursts, stirring frequently. This method helps to avoid overheating and ensures smooth melting. If the chocolate seems too thick, you can add a little bit of coconut oil or shortening to thin it out. This will give your chocolate a smoother consistency, perfect for dipping or drizzling. Section 5. Exploring chocolate variations. Milk chocolate. For a sweeter bonbon, use milk chocolate chips instead of semi-sweet. White chocolate. Create elegant white chocolate bonbons by using white chocolate chips. Dark chocolate. For a richer flavor, try using dark chocolate chips. Section 6. Storing your sweet treats. In this section, we'll guide you on how to properly store your delicious bonbons to keep them fresh and tasty. Once the bonbons are set, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a week. This will help maintain their texture and flavor. You can also freeze them for up to a month. Make sure to label the containers with the date to keep track of their freshness. Let them thaw in the refrigerator for a few hours before serving. This ensures they return to the perfect consistency. Enjoy your sweet treats.